Hi Kimono. Have you heard a new song yet? UMAMI Song. We're so excited to share it with you. Naomi, our newest team member, wrote this beautiful piece for UMAMI SAUCE. This footage captures the first time we heard it. Suchan even created an amazing dance for it. I am so proud of how far we've come. We started with just me, and now we have this wonderful team, each person bringing their own unique talent. Recording this professionally was a new experience for me, and I am so grateful to the team and Suchan and Moto and you, Kimono, for showing me a whole new world every time. Thank you so much. So please enjoy the behind the scenes video. Look at how it all came together.
Yes, 素敵。
じゃあやってみましょうか。
はい。
じゃあそことりあえずまだいても大丈夫ですよ。
いていいですか？
うん、
緊張するね。
I was asked by my boss to write a song about our sauce. UMAMI SAUCE.
後のふんを忘れるんですよ。
Brought to you by Kimono Mom. It's made for everyone.
私たち音楽のことど素人だからさ、どうしたらいいんだろう、レコーディングってどうやってやんのっていう、最初さ、スマホの iPhone のボイスメモだけでやろうと思ってたから、東京都内にスタジオをお借りできる方いませんかって聞いたら、
ダリジャパンっていう名前でめっちゃやってます。一瞬です。
レコーディングをセッティングしてくださいました。ありがとうございます。
めっちゃいい感じでした。
中目黒にあるスタジオシャマニカさんだ。
というところで今回録音を手伝っていただきました。
ありがとうございます。本当に。ダリジャパンってマレーシア語でジャパンから。
あ、そうです。日本から。
from Japan って
ことですね。もう日本から世界中の方々に日本の魅力だったり、日本に住んでらっしゃる外国人の方の様子を発信するっていう意味で発信させていただいているので、もしよければ。
はい、ぜひダリジャパンをチェックしてください。
僕たちいつもそれこそキモノマムさんとか、たくさんの海外向けに発信されている方々を、尊敬してじゃないけど、見て始めたので、ちょっと恩返しじゃないですけど、携われて幸せです。
去年ね、伊勢丹サロンネにも来てくださってね、それからね、やり取りさせていただいて、この動画を通して知ってくださって、動画を通して道場もって嬉しい。キモノマムのは。
元さんのコーラスが一番いいな。めちゃめちゃ。
It's so weird because to think something I was writing in February and I was just sat in the studio hearing the full song come together and I can't believe I just wrote that on a random day in February and now it's in full, like it's an actual song in a studio that we all recorded together. It's felt really bizarre.
なおみちゃんがさ、イギリスから日本にやってきてキモマムで働くことになってっていうライフジャーニーを一緒に見てるような気持ちじゃん、パパもさ、だからさ、一人でエンジニアの方と喋ってた時に「ナオミ頑張ってるね」って親みたいな、今頑張ってるそうそう、親みたいな気持ちになってるね。
大丈夫だ大丈夫だ。
To hear that in the studio with my bosses singing the song that I wrote for UMAMI SAUCE. It was just a really strange, almost like a dream. It wasn't real. でもみんなが気に入ってくれて、スーちゃんも踊ってくれて、すごい嬉しいです。
キモノコが世界中で歌ってくれるといいね。
キモノコの反応が。
ねえ、本当だよね。
みんな踊ってくれると思う。
踊ってくれる。
やっぱり踊りあるといいかも。
なんか
子供と一緒に踊れるのやっぱいいよね。
いいよいいよ。
UMAMI SAUCE brought to you
Umami Song. いいじゃん。
ああ、いいじゃん。いいじゃん、それ。
いいじゃん、そうしよう。
それ最後でしょ。
うん。
いや、こういうのはね、ほら、こうやって、すーちゃんとママでやったやつ乗って
あとこうやってうまみソース反対の手は反対。
右手、右手。
そうそう。で前向いてさ、これでさ、うまみソース。
あ、かわいい、かわいい、それ。
これかわいいじゃん。
それすごいかわいい。
最後は。
一番最後は。
Kimono Mom, it's made for everyone.
いいじゃん、それでしょ。
いいよ、もう一回ね。
いいじゃん、いいじゃん、いいじゃん。
ねえもうこうしてさ、
うん
すーちゃんこうする。
あ、いいじゃん、いいじゃん。あ、
すーちゃんそれやってやって。あ、いいじゃんこれ。
いいじゃん。いいじゃん。
これいいじゃん。Kinda tastes like umami sauce brought to you by Kimono Mom. It's the umami song.
すごいよくわかってる。
It's a vegan recipe, non-alcoholic and it's gluten-free to make your food so Japanese. This one bottle is all you need, so sing it with me. Umami sauce brought to you by Kimono Mom. It's made for everyone. Umami sauce brought to you
どうしよう。
by Kimono Mom. いい感じ。イエーイ。バイバ
怖い怖い怖い。
So we're getting very close to the release of UMAMI Song, and I just wanted to talk a little bit more about how the song came about. So I officially joined the Kimono Mom team at the start of this year, and Moe asked me to make a jingle for UMAMI SAUCE as one of my first big projects working in the production team. The idea for the song actually came to me while I was out on a walk. And you can hear me sort of walking along just into my phone, and now it's a full song, hopefully, that you've just been able to listen to, but we never would have been able to get there if it hadn't have been for my brother Nathan, who very kindly helped with making the instrumental and producing the track, mixing and mastering. He's so talented at making music, and he's released a lot of his own music on Spotify and other platforms too. So I'm actually back in England for a bit, and we managed to get together to do the finishing touches of the song. I'll show you what we're getting up to here. As you can see, we've temporarily turned the living room into a studio. Okay, we're still going.
Thanks Moe for your lovely bottle of umami sauce. I've been cooking up some tunes with it. Cheers.
It's a vegan recipe, non-alcoholic and it's gluten-free to make your food so Japanese. This one bottle is all you need, so sing it with me.
UMAMI SAUCE ちょっとKimono Mom 前向いてるせーの熱い踊ったね
This is how the UMAMI song was created. I am so proud of my team. I hope Kimono around the world will enjoy singing it. If you have seen this far, you should be able to sing this song by now. Let's sing it together. Are you ready?
I was asked by my boss to write a song about our sauce, 'cause we'd like to spread the joy of flavor to everyone we come across. So I put aside some time to come up with this little rhyme, describing taste through melody. May be hard, but I'll give it a try. It kinda tastes like UMAMI sauce, brought to you by Kimono Mom. It's the UMAMI song. It's a vegan recipe, non-alcoholic and it's gluten-free, to make your food so Japanese. This one bottle is all you need, so sing it with me. UMAMI sauce, brought to you by Kimono Mom. It's made for everyone.